welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you about this beautiful Kalanchoe right here. I love this Kalanchoe. I like it because it's in my opinion, it's a strong plant, and it can handle rain, and it looks good. It looks good whether it's been stressed and even when it's not stressed, but it is so pretty and it looks different in many different areas. So I'm going to show you. So this one was in my greenhouse, and I don't know if they're all always variegated or it just depends on the stress of the plant that makes it look variegated. But look at how beautiful. This is Kalanchoe Scallops. Look at how pretty it is. And I've only had I believe one plant, and then out of that came out more, and then I got this one, and then here's another one. This one it gets a little bit of sun in that area. It was over there, hidden down there. So right now there's no sun hitting it. The time has changed, but in the summertime it does get more sun. But yeah, this one looks like this, but they're the same plant. Actually, I wonder. Yeah, the leaves, just some leaves look slightly different. See, this one has more, you can see more of the shape, and then this one is, it's harder to see the shape of it, the indentate, like the curves of it. See, like this has a little curve like that, but then this one you can barely see it, and then this one, it is very pronounced. So maybe there are different Kalanchoes. I have no idea. Now that I was looking at that and I'm talking to you guys, but yeah, it is the same. Because okay, so I just took all these off of this plant, and as you can see here, this one is very pronounced, the edges, and then here these are a little bit less. I don't know, what do you guys think? If you guys do know if there's different types, I know that there's different types of Kalanchoes, I know that, but I'm talking about this specific scallop one. If there's another one that looks very similar to it, if you do know the name of that one, let me know. And then here is this one. This one was in another spot where it got a lot of sun and less water. So this one looks like a dusty color, like a dusty pink, like a blush color. It has a lot of farina, as you can see. And then this one was in the greenhouse, and this very variegated, and then this one is only the edges. And then here's another one. Look at those vibrant edges. So I love this beautiful Kalanchoe. It propagates very easily. So it shoots out roots on the sides. Those little sticks right here, these are roots. And it shoots out and it starts digging, looking for the soil, and it will go down into the soil. So it's very easy to propagate. I just pulled these out, and now I can stick them in dry soil and know that within a few days it can have water and it's going to be okay. Here it is in a pot. Pot is a little beat up. It's like a mirrored looking pot, but it's old and beat up, but the plant is beautiful, so it's okay. I think it makes it look really good. I'm gonna put it over here. Hold on, let me show you guys right now. We'll see how it does. I know it shouldn't rain within the next couple of days, so it should be perfectly fine, and that's it. Here, I'll give you a little look on how the plants on here are looking. Many of these plants were inside my greenhouse, and they were not looking as good as they are now. Like, these plants are enjoying the fresh air, the circulation of air that there is, the airflow that's here, and also some of that rain. So we didn't get rain for, oh my gosh, maybe 2 weeks or more, and now all of a sudden we got rain. Let me see. I think my rain catcher is full, so it's over 10 inches of rain. So we've gotten rain in the last couple of days. So yeah, some of them are looking pretty happy, like this one. Even though I had watered her a few times inside the greenhouse, she was still looking a little wrinkly, but now that it's rained, she's nice and plump. That one is just doing amazing. It's growing so nice. And then the donkey's tail. The donkey's tail was struggling inside the greenhouse. It was losing its leaves. I think it just wasn't having, maybe this plant is picky. It wasn't getting enough water or airflow. And now that I put her here, she's looking tougher. No leaves are falling. Like every time I would touch her, leaves would start falling, but now they're stronger. So I don't know, I might behead it so that it could root, so that it could look better. It was looking so pretty until I put her in the greenhouse and then was not happy. So some plants do well in the greenhouse and just some don't. Yeah, look, this is all propagation right here, and that right there, all these right here, and then all these two are propagation. I love, this is another type of Kalanchoe. Don't know the name of it. I've seen people post the name of it and I always forget to take a screenshot of it. But it's such a pretty plant. I love the edges. The dark edges, they're so pretty. We're cleaning the palm trees, trimming them so that they don't fall out of nowhere and just mess up my plants or my shade that I have up there. I have that shade up there with fishing clay. Oh, there's Maxie. Maxie, you trying to sit in the shade? It's not that hot today. It feels pretty nice. Come here, Max. Come say hi. I was cleaning my car, and as always, she wants to follow me. So I let her, you know, be in the front porch while I clean my car, and she fell asleep. She looks so cute. Come here, Max. Come here, baby. Come here, pretty girl. Come here, Maxie. Come here. Hi. Hi. You say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Have a blessed day.